Hey gang, what is up? OCD Mikey, Hi-Fi Guy here, and I'm going to go over what you will see in Capitol Audio Fest Room 744. We've got the AGD Productions, the brand new Forte amplifier, which is a stereo amp that is 200 watts per channel at 8 ohms, 400 at 4. And then right down here, we've got the Andante Mark II, which is the latest front-end solution. It's got a streamer, it's got a DAC, it's got a volume control, it's got a phono pre, it's got dual outputs so you can run subs with the crossover, it's got Bluetooth, it's got everything for the front end. Each one of these is $13K for a total of $26K. And then over here we've got the smaller of the two Fischers, which is the 370s. These are under 20. So we are at 40 under 50 for the system. And I'm going to walk over here and show you these Fischer&Fischers, which are absolutely beautiful. You can see the beautiful slate stone, the natural beauty of this, which is just, it's a very, very beautiful and smart, clean design. There's a nice vein down the side. So you get some beautiful natural note. Two pieces are alike. The sonic qualities are identical. You just sometimes get quartz veins through them. And they add a nice touch, a nice natural touch to it. You can see that beautiful finish, and they're all sealed. And nice natural stone, beautiful stone. Here with the AGD product, we've got the alto amplifier, which is beautiful. As you can see, if we move on top of this, it's pretty obvious if you look around back to tell that it's a dual mono design. And how you can tell that is you see how it's got an input right there and the outputs on this side, and then way on clear on the other side of the amp, you got an input and an output. So that tells you you've got a whole amplifier on that side and a whole amplifier on this side. And if we look on top, it's easy to tell too. Here's the right amplifier, here's the left amplifier. So it's a complete dual mono design, and a beautiful, nice binding posts on the back. Very, very smart setup. It's got remote turn on if you want to use your Andante, which is what we see right below. Now, if we look at the Andante, you can see we've got the internet plugged right into it because it's a streamer included, along with a phono pre, a DAC. So there's a, you can see the USB DAC input. It's got Bluetooth. That's what that antenna is right there, is Bluetooth. If you want a Bluetooth from your phone, you've got both RCA and XLR outputs, as you can see over here, and you've got dual RCA outputs, and one of them can be set from the factory with a low pass output, so that you can run subs without needing a crossover. So you can do, it actually acts as a crossover too. So it's extremely smart design, very well designed. You can see the nice readout here. Once I take mute off, you would see that 54 that you see behind there. Touch sensitive buttons, and a very clean, compact, beautiful presentation with the Fischer&Fischer 370Ms, and I will go ahead and play you some music so we can hear, so hold on. So incredible articulation. example for conveying emotion.
Baby hair with a woman's eyes, I can feel you watching in the night. All alone with me, we're waiting for the sunlight. When I feel cold, you warm me, and when I feel I can't go on, you come and hold me. It's you and me forever. Say smile.
Little rock and roll coming up right now. You can't hear how deep that bass is, but very deep. Nothing vicious for Tool. Vicious. Nice live recording here. Mick Ronson. True exotic system for under 50.
If you need me, why don't you come home? If you want me, then don't stay alone. Time is the remedy, not the telephone.
And this is why
I'm not alone.
That's why I'm successful in doing this, because I am the guy that puts together systems that sound like this. No matter what system I put together at whatever price, they're all magic. That's all there is to it. This combo is absolutely magic, under 50K. This is a true exotic. There's no question about it. Let me find something else for you that I don't think will trigger the cops. You know what I mean, the YouTube cops. Hold on.
And the sky is gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. I'd be safe and warm if I were in
For all the New Yorkers watching, you can forget about it.
California dreaming on such a winter's day. Stopped into a church.
Hello.
I passed along the way.
Come on now.
Well, I got down on my knees. I began to pray.
A little more rock and roll. So good.
Oh, five horizons revolved around the sun. As we go through the sun. Now the air I tasted and breathed has taken a turn. And all I taught her was everything.
Too good to be heard, man. These are absolutely incredible. This teaming of electronics and speakers is to freaking die for. Absolutely. Come to room 744 at Capitol Audio Fest this coming weekend in Rockville, Maryland, and prepare to have your mind blown with this audio system, room 744. We're not playing around anymore. This is the real McCoy. See ya!